Oh boy, what's up everybody? A little bit tired here. It's 71 degrees here in North Fort Myers, and I was going to do an install just by myself, not gonna video it or anything, of these door handle overlays. They actually come on acrylic because this area, if you look over there, can you see it? It has little lines going through it, so we want to make a flat surface so that you can mount these overlays. And what I've done is this generic kind of follows through. So when you have the door opened about yay wide, it looks like this generic flows right into that map perfectly. But I thought you guys might want to see an install, so let's go over to the other side. What you want to do is do this install between 75 and 85 degree weather. I know it's a little bit on the cooler side here, but this vehicle has been in the sun with everything really warm, heating it up. Clean this area really well. What you have is the acrylic piece. We will ship the vinyl probably separately just because we don't have the time to mount it. Basically, the mounting is just like everything else we have in our store. Bring it inside. That will ensure that the vinyl is warm enough to install. You can use some stick fab application fluid and use a squeegee and just squeegee it right onto there. Get all the air bubbles out. And then you turn it around and you pull off this protective layer. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I really don't want to do it like this. Probably shouldn't. No, let's see here. So it follows this outline. It pretty much covers this groove up because I found this groove can catch dirt. So I was like, why don't we just cover that up? Align it. It's really sticky. Here, let me put this down, put it in tripod mode, and continue shooting. All right, so sorry, we're gonna get a little glare here. I'll try to stay out of frame, and that sun is kind of blinding me. Make sure it's aligned front to back, up and down. Ooh, a little bit forward. Okay, and then just put pressure on it. So you can install this vinyl first or second. If you don't get it the way you want it and it's hanging over the edge just a little bit, you can use heat, push it down. Again, install this in 75 to 85 degree weather for an optimal install, optimal performance of the vinyl and the rest of the adhesive. There we go. Pretty much looks like the other side. This area flows right into there just as I designed it. Of course, we want all of these emblems to flow together, and that's why we've made all of these different sections. This, for example, though, is printed in clear because this is code orange already. So whatever color your vehicle is, we can get the bottom to shine through by just printing it on clear. Please visit our website for all these designs and more. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.